Hi, I'm Li Hong. Today I'm extending my previous video about regular expression to filter out and list up interface or admin down interfaces. Now I add another feature. It's called counting. Let us count the number of interfaces. So before that, let me replay the regular expression we used earlier in previous video. Show IP interface brief. This is unfiltered output, and let's review it first. It will list us 9 interfaces. So last time I used the show IP interface brief again, and I used filter, regular expression filter, up.plus, up. This will list up, layer 1 up, layer 2 up interfaces. So there should be 3 in this example. So what about counting? Actually, there's a feature in Cisco IOS called count. We just replace the include with count, and then it will count the number here, 3. So in similar way, we include the admin down. Remember, the admin down, the characteristic is administrative. Every line with a keyword administrative. And then we have 5 in this example. So how to count? Yes, we just change include to count. Typo. Now this is correct. 5. Okay. So what about the rest of them? The abnormal state. The other interfaces in abnormal, unexpected state. Last time I used show IP interface brief and exclude previous 2 cases, administrative. Then only 1 is in this case. But can we directly replace the include to count? The answer is no. Let's see the result. It will report 8, but actually we have only 1. The problem here is the count feature. It can only list or count the number of matched interfaces, but for the other case, it must be excluding these patterns. So this is not producing the desired result. So I changed my way of getting a correct number. Let me count the total number of interfaces. So if I can count the total number of interfaces and I can count the 2 normal cases, then if we subtract the number from here and here, and we will get the rest of the interfaces, the count of them. So let me count total interfaces. So before that, show interface brief, we review that again. There are label and 9 interfaces. If we simply count everything, .plus, the number is a little bit wrong because it will also count in the labels. So it should be 9, but it counted 10. So let's refine it a little bit. Count, but removing the labeling. Label is here. we just anything not begin with capital I should not be counted. In this case, number 9, this is the correct answer. Totally 9 interfaces. Actually, we can also include. And you will see we have removed the label, so totally 9 interfaces. Before I close this example, this demonstration, we still remember we used alias to make us to save our time, and we can type less characters to replay the result. So actually, I have done that for you. Show alias. In addition to previous 3 to list the interfaces, I also created these new 3 to count for us. So to list them, up interface, PUPIF, up interface, count them, CUPIF3. And we can repeat this example for all 3 cases. And also, one thing I want to point out, to define aliases, the capitalization is preserved. So I purposely did this name, so you will see capitals and non-capitals are mixed together. But to recall the alias, actually, in iOS execution, the shell, it doesn't matter about the capitalization at all. So exactly the same example, I can type CUPIF. This is everything was non-capital, and it will get the same result. So let me finish everything. P admin down IF, list them, 5 of them, and C admin down IF. I purposely used all non-capital characters, and it will produce the same result. Or CA down. It doesn't matter about whether your capitalization is correct or not. It just it will match. To recall, it really doesn't matter about the capitalization or not. So let me finish. So C P other, I have 1 interface, but to count total, I have total is 9. So we know now we can deduce the number 9 minus 5 minus 3, that is 1. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, remember, check your left-hand side. There should be something more interesting for you to watch. Click them.